"20 plants to grow in your garden to drink." Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. And we all know we could use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Number 1, and rightfully top of the list, is mint. It grows like a weed, is very abundant, and comes in many different flavors. Number 2 is chamomile. It's safe even for children. And of course, lemon balm. What tea garden wouldn't be complete without lemon balm? If you have a lot of vertical space, hops just might be an option. I also grow horehound in my garden for just this reason. I love it for when I have sore throats and coughs. Sage isn't just for cooking, it actually makes a good tea. And my personal favorite, thyme. One new thing I want to try this year is anise hyssop. And don't just think herbs, roses have traditionally been used in a tea. You can also forage for teas. I prefer stinging nettle. Dandelion and chicory can be used as coffee substitutes. One inside plant I plant is ginger. Don't forget to check out your landscaping. How about, for instance, one of my personal favorites is elderberry. Those raspberry plants in my garden aren't just for eating. I also use the leaves for tea. And the same with the wild strawberry I use for ground cover. The leaves make a good tea. And don't forget, for that sweet sour taste, a rhubarb shrub is also a drink you can make from the garden. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell.